Welcome to our latest project, a home where modern aesthetics meets timeless comfort. So I'm an architect and a designer for this house, Vibha Shetty. I would like to take you along with me. Just as we step inside the house, eyes are drawn towards this handcrafted work that has been an element in which acts like a symmetry and strike the right balance in between the space. So as we move on, we can see the staircase area. So we've done a beautiful work here with veneer work which acts as a focal point. So within the staircase area, it has a contrasting nature which is a featuring wall. As we see around, there are many linear elements going on in a common area. We have layered elements with curvature, making the space more modern and contemporary. So initially, analyzing each space which is going here and understanding the client's requirement and putting design together is a crucial point, wherein in this project we have done a very thoughtful job where each and every element is going well with each other, and it has a flow when we see it is going well with each other, and it is making a very cohesive space. When we move ahead with the master bedroom, we can see a neoclassical style has been incorporated here, characterizing by clean lines and multiple patterns here, and we can really observe this exquisite headboard design element going on, curtains and a dresser, everything is well put together. Exciting part of this house is when we designed the daughter's bedroom. We made it more playful, and we planned a stunning stonework here which emphasizes the entire bedroom. So we have a lot of elements coming in this room, especially the curves, the organic shapes and everything. But even though we have used a lot of elements, but it looks like it's put together very well. we love designing this house and seeing them come to life. And I would like to congratulate clients and thank you so much for all your support and hope you have a good time. Thank you.